In this video, we will see how to film with multiple camera. So the first thing you need to do, even before you start, is that you be sure that all of your camera will record in the same frame rate. You can pick the frame rate you want, but just be sure it's the same for all camera. If you're not sure about this and you want to know more about frame rate, please see the video on the upper right corner. And then the second thing you will do is that you will start the recording on all of your camera. So this is what I'm gonna do right here. I start this one, I start this one, and then I start this one. So now that this is done, the first thing that you will do is that you will identify the shot. So this is the recording of the video number 9, which is how to record from multiple camera and microphone. I actually record with the Sony NX80, the Sony a7R4, the DJI Osmo Action 3, and the Sony RX100. And I want to use the microphone from the DJI mic, which is this one, and it's connected inside the NX80. So that's the one I want to use. So the reason I do that at first is that it helps you to identify what you have shoot. So when you are inside your file inside your folder with all your files and you see C001384, well, you can just open it and the shots start by me identifying the shots. So that makes it much more easier, especially if it's not you that is video editing your project. Your video editor will like you if you do that. And then the other reason, when I was pointing everything, you see, if you see me through that camera pointing that one and I don't find that shot, well, it's easy to know that I'm missing something. So once this is done, you're ready to start your shoot. You can talk about your stuff. Now, the reason why you start all of your camera at the very beginning is that yes, it will create bigger file size, but you will only have one shot to synchronize for every device. Yes, files are bigger, but it's much more efficient and much less time consuming. Often, I also forget to do the clap. The clap, I don't really need it. The goal of the clap is that if you have a camera that doesn't record audio, or if something happened and your camera did not record the audio. Actually, do I have my audio? Yes, I do have the audio. Great. If you have a camera that doesn't have audio for any reason, you can mix the audio of that clap to the action of the clap on the camera. So that's very easy to do on the video editing software when you have it, and you do that at the beginning because you don't have to look for it. Every camera start about at the same time at the beginning, so it's very easy to sync. However, I don't really need to do that because, well, I'm using Final Cut. I just take all of my shots and I hit the sync button and it syncs through audio. But I would need it if I had a camera with no audio. And when you do the clap, you make sure that all the camera can see the clap. So then just do all of your shootings, and if you have a camera that have a battery that die, well, don't stop any other camera. Just replace the battery of that camera. You will only have one camera to resync to the rest instead of redoing a whole sync of everything. So once your shooting is done, you can stop all of your camera and then you send it to your video editing software. Now, if you want to learn more about how to edit a project in multicam, you can see the video on the upper right corner. I will do the example on Final Cut. That might be similar on other software, but that's the one I use. So if you're interested, well, the video is just right here. In the meantime, I hope this was helpful. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below, and I hope to see you in another video. See ya!